Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get new users on Temu app. A very easy tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing is to open the Temu app and then tap on the Use section at the bottom menu. After that, tap on Settings. In this settings section, make sure you create a new account for yourself, and then make sure that you choose your country and region. And after you're done with that, go back and then tap on earn credits and free gifts. You can see many options here. I'm gonna choose redeem cash. Here you can see that I don't have any spin left, so I'm gonna tap on refer friends to spin again, and then tap on copy code. Okay, so the next step is you go to your Note app and then you compose on a message look just like this. You can you can do it exactly as I have typed here, and make sure that you paste your referral code in step 3. Like that. Tap done, and then you take a screenshot and then crop it like this. Okay, tap done, save the photos, and then you're gonna post that photo on any social media that you have. For example, I'm gonna go on Instagram. Right here, I'm gonna post it on my story. Choose my image, and then you tap on next, and then share. Done. As you can see my story here, it have the photo of the Temu discount, so people gonna download the Temu app, and then when they make the new account, they're gonna input your referral code, and that's how you get new user on Temu app. So that's just the tutorial. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you. Peace out.